27 degrees at the moment in downtown Kandos, and we take a look at the weather information for the remainder of today.
It's the first week of December 2017 and the New South Wales town of Kandos is just about to receive an early and much deserved Christmas present. With the closure of the local cement plant in 2011, this Central West town's future is now dependent on tree changes, a growing local arts community and of course tourism. And as rail tourism continues to be popular, that's now a big part of the plan. Once a busy hub of activity for the town's workers and their families, Kandos Station, seen in this 1935 photo, now lies deserted and hasn't seen a freight train for decades. But today's different. The town's Christmas present is here. This 40-wagon train and its John Holland crew have arrived to lay 1,000 tonnes of ballast on the 8-kilometre track linking Kandos to its picturesque railway neighbour Rylstone. This section of the Guavagar rail line was closed after the last Lithgow to Mudgee passenger train went through in the early 1990s. It's conventional wisdom that closed railway lines remain that way forever. But that's not true here. This is the birth of the Kandos-Rylstone Heritage Rail Precinct. Lobbying by local townsfolk, Kandos Museum and others over the past year successfully gained significant state government funding for the heritage project.
$1.1 million to fix the railway track between Kandos and Rylstone. A great opportunity to promote tourism in the local area. A great way to bring more visitors here to this region and to grow the local economy. I received a petition of over 1,200 people. And now I'm here today announcing the delivery of this important project for this community.
A few hours of work leaves the hopper wagons empty and the track looking highly respectable. A great improvement on the derelict line that once didn't have a future. As well as the ballast operation, the John Holland team replaced a couple of thousand old timber sleepers with long life steel.
I think it's fantastic. I think it's going to bring real value back to Kandos and Rylstone. We're hoping that we can really drive forward the visitor economy through this announcement. And I've got to say the local member, Paul Toole, has been fantastic support in this. And we've had support, of course, from the local councils, both Mid-Western Regional Council and Lithgow Council. But Paul has really taken this and driven it forward, and he's done a fantastic job.
The whole 9-day operation comes to an end as the ballast train nears Rylstone Station. The team's now off to Tamworth, but some will return as 5 years of line maintenance were included in Paul Toole's announcement. Of course, this track work was just the start. Joint venture partners Kandos Museum and Lithgow State Mine Railway now have to organise weekend trains from Lithgow to run on the new heritage line. Spectacular views of the Kapiti Valley await the fortunate passengers. They'll be able to explore historic Rylstone, a little gem of the Central West. And they'll learn more about Kandos, the 20th century company town that made the fine cement that made Sydney. Stand by, we'll keep you posted.